So let's make number 4 an integer. It is giving incompatible types error, required int and found double. This is double and this is integer. To resolve this, we have to convert double into appropriate integer. Here appropriate is relevant according to the translation of the double to int conversion library in Java. To convert, write int before 1.3 with brackets and also 1.3 multiplied by 2 into brackets. If there has been no brackets here, these two brackets, then 1.3 would have been converted into 1 and 1 multiplied by 7, which is number 2, and number 4 would be 7. So we put a bracket in order to get 1.3 multiplied by number 2 into an integer. So let's run this program. So it is 9. It is an approximation error as it has converted 9.1 into 9. It is approximate but not exactly equal. Now change 1.3 into 1.4 and run the program again and see the results. Now it is also 9 rather than 9.8. If it was 10, it would have been a good approximation as 9.1 was to 9. You have to be careful during this type of conversion as it can greatly affect the end results.